Now, there will be times when you would want to step out despite the lockdown restrictions imposed by the government to make it easier for at least people on the essential services front. An e-pass can be issued online. That's what this report says. You can see here how you can apply for e-passes for various states and union territories, right from Andaman and Nicobar, Goa, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. Let's try and see what the interface for applying for an e-pass looks like. I click here. There should be a pop-up window that opens up. Okay, this is the pop-up that opens up. It says, "Dear applicant, this is regarding your application submitted on permission.midcindia.org. You are requested to log into the system, submit your request for employee passes, and basically the steps listed out. Log into the portal on the dashboard, click on view employee. On the employee details, enter details of each employee, making life a little easier for employers. Cumulatively, all the details of the employees need to be filled. The request is submitted, and the concerned authority then reviews the application. Once the pass is issued, users can download the employee pass. Let's try this as well. Mission.midcindia. Okay, it doesn't really open up. Try and copy the link. Try and visit the interface. It's permission.midcindia.org. Let's enter. Okay, here you have the MIDC. That's the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation website opening up. Applicant login, application for operation of plant, factory, or unit. That's understandably a little more comprehensive process, including a format for self-declaration. Applicant login seems to be a little more easy, and then of course you have your interface opening up. Let's try and feed in the ID, submit, not yet submitted, or invalid email ID, understandably. So in case of an error, you also have an email ID, permission@midcindia.org, for any technical issues that you have faced. If anybody of you all have actually gone ahead with this process and would like to comment below as to how easy or difficult the process is, your feedback is welcome, and it should help our subscriber base. Thank you for tuning in. Watch out for more first-hand experiences.